Hi, friends. Welcome back to Dance with Miss Tara. Today, we're going to be working on some ballet bar work. So, you're going to need to create a bar of your own in your space. The back of a chair is great. A counter in a kitchen is a great height, too. Even the back of a couch will work. Just something to help you balance a little bit. Okay, once you have your bar situated, and ideally, you're in some sort of soft shoe or sock today, even barefoot, just so you can work your foot a little bit better. If you need to wear supportive shoes, that's okay too. Okay, let's get started. We're going to work on our feet. I'm going to show you to the side first before I turn front. We're going to work through our foot, walking to the ball, and lift the knee. Ball and down. 2 times. Ball, lift, ball, and down. We're going to find our plie, first bend of the day, and releve. Hold those ankles together if you can. Lower down nice and calm. Same thing, other foot. Are you ready to try? Okay. Music on. At your bar, hand nicely resting, feet together. Right foot, ball, lift, ball, and down. Ball, lift, ball, down. Slow plie, bend, and stretch. Releve, rise those heels off the floor. Lower down nice and slow. Other foot, ready, go. Ball, lift, point that toe. Ball, and down. Again, ball, lift, ball, down. Find your plie, demi-plie. Stretch up tall. Last releve. Hold right here. Let's see if we can balance for a second. Take one hand off the bar. Maybe take two. Up to you. Hold. And when you're ready, come on down. Great job. Warming up those toes. Okay, we're going to move on to our next exercise. More plies. We go plie and stretch, plie and stretch. Now 4 fast lifts. Up, down, point that toe every single time, right? Same thing, other side. Ready? New music. Toes ready? At your bar. Stand up tall and proud. And plie. And stretch. Plie. And stretch. 4 lifts. Lift 1. Point that toe. Pop it off the ground. Other side. Here we start. Plie. And stretch. Plie. And stretch. 4 lifts. Lift 1. Point that toe. 3. Last one. Oh, maybe a nice finish for this one. Nice finish. Beautiful. And shake it out. Okay, those toes are starting to warm up a little bit now, right? Okay, we're going to do our long exercise now. We're actually going to start in first position, our pizza toes. Our heels are touching, our toes are apart. Whatever V size feels good for you, okay? We're going to start in first doing our demi-plies. Our demi-plies. We're going to show our hands up high and down. Same thing, big plies until we find our second position. Now here, our knees are straight to start. It looks like an upside down triangle or regular triangle. Sorry, it's upside down to me when I look down. We do our demis and stretch, demis and stretch, and show a big rainbow. Same thing other side, demi stretch, whoop, 3 over. And then we find our toes close back together. Toes and heels are touching so that we can stretch our ankles, both sides, little circles. And then we're going to do point, flex, point to finish, both sides. Follow along. These are all things you know. Here we go, starting first position. Take a breath in. Demi-plie and bend, stretch, bend, stretch. 1 hand off, 2 hands off, up high, back down to your bar. Demi-plie, bend, stretch. Make those diamonds. Point your toe to the side. Set up your second position. Remember, straight legs to start. Now we bend. Bend, stretch, make a house. First rainbow stretch. Rainbow. Over, back. Demi-plies. Plie, stretch, plie. Rainbow other way. Draw some colors in the sky. Toes close. Little circles. Can you do little circles out? Nice. Now try little circles in. Now point that toe, bring it back home. Other toes turn. Little circles at the ankle. Teeny tiny. Draw the other way with your toe. And close it back home. Other foot shows point. Now it shows flex. Flex that heel so hard. Now point again. Keep it straight. Brush on the floor. Clean the floor. Other toe. Stretch that toe to the end. Then flex when you've got no more room. Point through that toe. Finish. And close to end. Hold, hold, hold. And relax. That's great job, guys. That's a long exercise. You did awesome. Okay, we're going to do a nice, fun, short one now. Our tendus. So make sure you're still just doing a little bit of weight on your bar. You're not doing a big death grip, right? Nice and light. Here we go. Our tendu combination is tendu out and close. We brush off the floor. Find your coupe. Do you remember where coupe is? Coupe is just to the ankle, right? Toe to ankle. There it is. Stretch it back out. Hold because you're so strong. And just before you close, we do tap, tap, close. Nice and fun. Same thing both sides. Are you ready? Okay, hand lightly on the bar. Ready, set, we go. Tendu. And close. Dégagé. Coupe. Extend. Hold your strong 2 taps. Tap, tap, and close. Other side. Stretch that toe. Close it home. Stretch off the floor. Coupe, please. Stretch and hold. So strong, and tap, tap, close, done. Piece of cake, right? Are your toes nice and happy now? They're nice and warm? Fast, happy? Yes, good. Okay, ready for our favorite exercise at the bar, our dégagés. Dégagés side from first position. So you're going to find your pizza toes to start again. Heels touch, toes out. We count 8, 8, 4, 4, 2, 2, 2, 2. Our feet go dégagé, dégagé, dégagé 8 times. Other foot 8 times. Then we switch for 4, for 4, for 2, for 2, for 2, for 2. It's nice and slow so we can really stretch through that toe, right? Work on pointing that toe so hard. All right, let's see if the music is ready. Dancers are ready. First position. Ready? Count with me. 8 first. Count 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now switch. Just 4. That's 2. And 3. And 4. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch twos. 1, 2. Switch. 1, 2. Switch. 1, 2. Switch. 1, 2. And hold. And plie. Stretch. Let's do a tiny little stretch here. Put your heel back, pushing on your chair a little bit to stretch that calf. And stand up a little bit taller. Yeah, stretch that hip. And other foot. Slide your heel on the floor back just a little. Lean forward on your counter or chair or whatever your bar is today. Nice calf stretch. Lift your heart in the sky. Stretch that hip. And feet back together. Finish. Nice. Shake it out. Bar is going so great today. It's time for a port de bras. So I'm going to turn my bar to the side. so that you can see my port de bras a little bit better, you can keep your bar facing the other way if that works better for your space. This is just to show you. We're going to do our port de bras all the way down to our toes, to the bar, to the back, to the side, and end in front of your belly button. Nice fingers. Reach all the way back to the bar, all the way down towards your toes. Reach up high. Our favorite part, we pop the bubble. 1, 2, 3, pop. Rise up to releve. Do a fancy barre little step. And so that you can see me, I'm going to walk over here to do it on this side, okay? If you need to do a flip of your chair in between, you have plenty of time in between sides to do that, okay? Okay, is your bar ready for circular port de bras? And you're going to start in first position. Okay. Ready? Port de bras. And start your circle. Reach for your toes. Reach for the bar. Reach it back. Side. Front. Reverse. Other way. Reach those fingers. Far back. To the bar. Find your toes. Find the high diagonal. 3, 2, 1, hop. Rise up, releve. Barre. We fix our bars in between. Hop to the other side. Set up your first position, other side. Adjust your bar if you need to a little bit more. And when you're ready, take a breath. Here we go, other side. Reach down towards the floor. Find your bar. Reach your fingers back, side, in front of your belly button. Open up, open. Reach to the back, to the bar. Find your toes. Up the high diagonal. This time we're going to balance. Pop, rise up and freeze. Stay right here. If you want, you can take your hand off the bar for a second or 2 seconds. 1, 2, or 3. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. And lower down when you're ready. Shake it out, guys. Okay, I'm going to flip my bar again so you can see me a little bit better. You can stay where you are at your bar. This is so you can see my legs as we do our swings. We swing front and back 12 times. Yes, little barre to the other side. Set up and swing front, back 12 times. Remember, our knee is bent for this. We're just relaxing our hip, little front and back. Brush the floor. Help clean the floor in your house. Okay, here we go. Ready? Maybe. Now we're ready. And take a breath. 12 swings. Ready, set, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Plie barre to the other side. Ready. And front. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep that arm on the shelf if you can. And find your barres. Finish. And relax. Now that our hips are nice and warm, we are actually going to put the bar away for a minute. So if you can, move it out of your space while you're dancing, just off to the side a little bit so you have a little bit of space to do some jumps. In first position again, hands hip hip hooray. We are going to do some sautés, up, down. If jumps don't feel good, just do plie and stretch whenever we do a jump, okay? We are going to do a plie, sauté, plie, hold that stretch. Again, plie, sauté, and stretch. Then we're going to go a little faster. Up, down, hold 2 times. Up, down, hold. Then we're going to do our favorite échappé jumps, right? Échappé out and in. Jump out and in. Our favorite échappé. Same thing, too slow, lots of fast. Okay, here we go. Get those toes moving. First position to start. Hands on your waist. plie, saute. Hold, stretch really tall, take a breath. Again, plie, saute. Hold. Ready? Now we're going to do 2 in a row. Ready? Go. Plie, and jump, and jump. Hold, stretch it tall. Again, 2 fast. Plie, saute, saute. Stretch. Now slow échappé. Open, close. Open, close. Stretch in between. Stretch, hold. Stand tall, ready, slow. Plie, jump. Nice and slow. Stretch. Faster, ready. And plie. Out, in, stretch. Last time. Plie. Out, in, hold, and finish. Hold your bubble. And breathe. Lots of big jumps, right? Great job. To finish, we're going to do our reverence. So you're going to find the back of your space. And we are going to start pointing towards where we want to go with our toe. 3 walks, please. Ballet walks. Nice, beautiful, proud walks. And find your first position. Pizza toes. There they are. Little plie and stretch. Hands up and open. Reach your hand to the back. Look at your hand. Reach your hand to the front. Look at your hand. Then find your other toe. So it points to where we want to go. Walk 3. 1 and 2 and 3. Find your first. Plie and stretch. Hands high. Open. Reach back. Look at your hand up there and down. Look at your hand and down. Last time, point to your first toe that started and hold. That's our reverence today. So thank you for dancing with me and find the back of your space right now. Pointing your toe to where it wants to go. Ready? And walk 1, 2, 3. Find your first. Plie. Stretch. Hands up. Open. Reach back. Front. And other toe ready. Point to where you want to go. Use your hands, your fingers, your toes. And walk. 2, 3. Find your first. And plie. Hands up. Open. Reach back. Back. Look at that hand. Reach front. Look at that hand. Last time, point to your first toe that started the whole thing and hold. Thank you, dancers, for dancing with me today. I appreciate you coming to class. Keep dancing, and I'll see you next time. Bye.